Yeah, morning. Excuse me, security. Security.
The
So
back of the line begins down there, sir.
yeah, I know, sir. I'm just asking you
I
about
said the back of the line begins down there.
yeah, I'm just trying to say I spoke to the manager this morning
What you
and
want to see the manager for?
I have a letter to see
Let
the
me see your
manager.
paper. The Lee in your spell, if the Lee in your name spell wrong, it's L-E-E, not L-I-E.
Sir, that is my name, but
yeah, so you got to
I'm
come
saying
back
I
and
have an
the
appointment
back
to
of the
see the
line
manager at
start down
1.
there, sir. If you had an appointment at 1, you should have come at 8. You see the line in front of you.
It is I have an
These
appointment.
are people waiting. Okay, so I cannot help you today.
But security, I spoke with the manager earlier this morning.
The back of the line is down there, sir. The manager is on lunch.